In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook page ID from the Page Transparency section. If you manage a Facebook business page, your page ID is a simple but essential piece of information. It's often required when you connect your page to advertising tools, set up integrations with third-party platforms, or troubleshoot account issues with support. The good news is that you don't need any special permissions beyond access to the page, and you won't be sharing anything sensitive like passwords or personal details. Start by going to your Facebook business page. You can do this from the Facebook homepage by selecting your page from the left-hand sidebar or by searching for your page name. Make sure you're viewing the page itself, not your personal profile, and that you're in the correct page if you manage more than one. This process is easiest on a desktop browser, but the labels are the same on mobile, even if their placement looks a little different. Once you're on the page, look for the About section. On many layouts, you'll see it in the left-hand menu. If you don't see a dedicated About tab, click the three dots near the top of the page to reveal more options and choose About from there. The About area is where Facebook groups key information about your page, such as business details, contact info, and transparency tools. Inside the About section, find and click Page Transparency. This is Facebook's hub for disclosing who manages the page, whether the page runs ads, and other integrity-related details. In many cases, you'll see a small panel labeled Page Transparency with a link to see more. Go ahead and open it to expand the full details. Within the Page Transparency view, you will see your Facebook page ID displayed. The page ID is a numeric identifier that uniquely represents your page behind the scenes. Don't confuse it with your page username or the custom URL. Those can change, but the page ID is stable. If you need to reference it later, note the number exactly as it appears. Some tools allow you to paste it directly. Others may ask you to enter it during setup. That's it. Your page ID can be used for ads configuration, connecting your page to external integrations, or other business needs, and sharing it is safe because it doesn't grant access to your account. If the interface looks slightly different, remember you're aiming for the About area and then Page Transparency. As long as you reach that transparency panel, you're in the right place to find the page ID.